What's up, everyone? Over the next few minutes, I'll be showcasing you a tour of my house and also showcase some of the devices I use to make YouTube videos. So let's get started. What you're seeing in the video is actually my room, one of my rooms. I have two rooms in my house. This is a master bed, which has one queen size bed, one wardrobe, and a box on top of it to keep some of the items, and one attached bathroom, which I'm not going to show you. I know it won't be interesting, but I do want to show you uh, my little computer table, which is actually fixed to the wall, so you can see here. And this is a chair which I use to work. Unfortunately, the I don't have the computer table right now, which I'm trying to buy, but this works for a moment. And this is the laptop which I use to edit my videos. I think there's 58 videos right now on my channel. All the 58 videos are edited using this laptop. This laptop, as you can see, is the maker is Dell. It runs on Intel Core 2 Duo. As a matter of fact, I bought this on 2010 when I was studying my graduation. Yeah, and I use specs, not every time, but just to make sure that my eyes don't go burn when I'm working. And this is the Wi-Fi dongle which I use for internet. And apart from that, I will show you the balcony, a little balcony outside of my house. I do spend a fair bit of time here. Most of the times, I'll be walking for around close to 40 minutes, if I'm not wrong, which keeps me, healthy. And I do recommend all of you guys to spend at least 1 hour of your time, either for workout, doing yoga, or anything which helps you keep yourself fit. And I quite enjoy walking here, because as you can see, there's a lot of greenery around, and there's also sound of birds chirping. I'm not sure if you're able to hear it, but over here, as you can see, there's a lot of greenery, and it's actually beautiful to spend some of your time walking here. And there's not just one or two varieties of birds, species of birds. I've seen many, and some of the birds also, early in the morning they come here, and I'm also thinking of feeding them in the future. And there's a little plant here which I've grown, which was about to die, unfortunately, a couple of days ago, but I made sure it keeps fresh, so I water it every day. Moving on, I'll also show you my yoga mat. I also do yoga for at least 30 minutes every day early in the morning before I spend most of my time working. So I make sure I do yoga for close to half an hour. And in the yoga I do pranayama, vajrasana, and yeah, that's about it. And I also do some exercises before I do yoga, and I definitely recommend you doing yoga, because Being healthy is the most important thing everyone should do, and especially in this time of pandemic. You should all ensure that you spend at least 1 hour of your time to keep yourself fit. That's all about my room. So apart from keeping myself fit by doing yoga and exercise, these days I've started taking steam. So what you are seeing right now on the screen is a little vaporizer, rather you can call it as steamer, which I bought it from Amazon. I'll be placing a link in the description below, so that if you are interested you can go and buy it. I'll just show you how it works. This cover is for you to place your face here upside down, but before that what you need to do is fill water here in this box. You can also add turmeric, which I've heard it's a good idea while taking steam. So steam plus water goes in here, and then you place this cover inside, which you can see there's a sensor attached to it which helps water to heat. And then just cover it, and then cover it either by this big cover on top of it, or you can also place this little cover. Just tighten it, make sure you tighten it really well, and then switch it on. That's it. So it gives like around 2 to 3 minutes for the water to be heated, and then either by using this cover or either by using this big one you can take steam. So I generally take around 15 minutes every day. I would advise you to take it after having your dinner, and I think that will definitely help you not expose yourself to to COVID-19. Okay guys, what you're seeing right now is my YouTube studio, my YouTube account, and as you can see there are a number of YouTube videos. There are 58 videos currently, and as you can see the dates that I've uploaded, the last video that I had uploaded was on 27th, but I had taken a break on from 26th August 2018, and then I published a new video on 18th Jan, which is actually a gap of almost more than 2.5 years. And then I started again on April 12th, and you can expect new videos as I've already bought a GoPro camera. But I also wanted to show you guys, let me go to analytics. As you can see in this graph, on 23rd April there was a video published, and then suddenly my views dropped gradually, and then it hit 0 views, because this is the date where my YouTube channel was hacked. I'm not sure what had happened, but I had contacted YouTube, and they actually recovered my account. But since then my channel is almost it only receives 700 to 800 views per day. So it would help me if you can all if you like my content, please make sure you share my videos with your friends and families, and also make sure that you if you're a new subscriber, please make sure you subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. So I also want to show you my revenue. I'm not sure, I think most of you guys are unaware that I also make very little amount of money that YouTube credits my account through YouTube ads. If you click on some of my content, there might be some videos publishing. So YouTube credits my account based on those videos, those advertisements. So from the past 28 days, I've only earned I think $23, which is close to 23 into 75 rupees. I'm not good at math, so I'm not going to do it. But as you can see, the views have dropped. So I think from 2nd May, there's hardly any amount, which is almost close to $1, I guess. So my top earning videos are, this video, Bad Drivers of Bangalore Road Rage in India, which has generated the most revenue since the last 28 days, and this also has 4 million views. And this is a breakup of month versus revenue. As you can see, March was really well. I was able to earn around $101, mainly because one of my videos went viral. I think it is these two, Bad Drivers of Bangalore and my best moments of Bad Drivers of Bangalore. And that's one of the reasons why since you guys were liking my comment and there were a lot of views getting generated, that made me think of buying a new GoPro, so that I keep entertaining you guys. And also it's not just entertaining, it's also actually awareness on road safety, isn't it? That's one of my motto behind creating this channel. So if you keep watching my videos, sharing my videos, and subscribing, if you're a new subscriber, that really makes me upload more number of videos. And that's how you can help me. And guys, enjoy the video. If you haven't checked out my other videos, there are actually 58 videos on my YouTube channel. If you haven't watched other videos, I'll put a link in the description below, and I'll also place some of the videos in the I button. So please make sure you watch all the videos, and make sure you watch it till the end. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe it. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you. Stay safe.